Welcome to Our Daily Health. Muffin Top. 20 best workout to lose muffin top fats. Do you want to shrink those stubborn muffin top fats keeping you from slipping into your jeans? They're the most stubborn when it comes to weight loss. In addition to that, they keep you from having abs. Moreover, what is a muffin top? A muffin top, also called a love handle, is a belly or hip fat that accumulates above your butts or waistline. According to Harvard Medical School, belly fat is linked with heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. To some good news, proper diet and exercises can melt away those fats faster than you think. Here is the 20 best muffin top workouts to help you lose those fats. Number 1. Side-to-side hops. The side-to-side hops don't require you to have any equipment. This exercise works on your abs and may offer you some cardio. All you need to do is assume there is a vertical line on the floor, hop your feet back and forth over that imaginary line. Do it as fast as you can and try not to get out of control. Do the workout for a minute each time for 3 sets. Number 2. V-ups. Jackknife. Are you in for this challenge? The V-up exercises will leave your abs on fire. You only need to lie down on your back on a fitness mat, of course, or a carpet. Put your arms and feet straight but slightly up. Lift your upper body as if you're trying to touch your toes, and then lower your body back. Repeat a few more times. Number 3. Bicycles. The bicycles, or the bicycle crunches, are the number 1 rated muffin top workout in being effective. They are also perfect for the abs, obliques, and abdomen. Apart from working your abs and belly, they also tone your thighs as they involve your hamstrings and quads. Number 4. Russian twists. The Russian twists are easy to learn. They are ideal for muffin top trimming. They may help with posture, movement, and balance. Sit on your ischial tuberosity, put your feet off the floor, and bend your knees. Lift your torso at 45 degrees from the bottom to form a V shape. Clasp your hands together and swing side to sides using your abdomen. Repeat 8 times around 3 sets. Number 5. Kettlebell swing. As the name suggests, this exercise involves swinging the kettlebell. They are excellent for removing the stubborn muffin top fat. Stand with your legs apart, slightly. Hold the kettlebell facing down. Hang your arms loose in front of you. Bend your knees slowly to form a half squat. Push your hips back. Swing the kettlebell forward at least to the eye level. For better results, repeat 15 to 20 times for 3 sets. Number 6. Hanging leg raises. Hanging leg raises are simple, and they can help you burn belly fat. If you do these exercises regularly for about 2 to 3 weeks, you'll be sure to get tremendous results. Hang a rod from where you want to exercise and jump. Hold on to the bar as you flex your hips. Raise your legs perpendicular to your torso. Lower your legs slowly to your hanging position. Repeat 10 to 12 times until you complete 3 sets. Number 7. The plank crunch. The plank crunch is more complex than others are because you have to support your entire body weight with one side. It can help you get rid of muffin top after 4 to 5 weeks of exercise with more practice. To perform the plank crunch, you lie down on your sides, raise your body as you balance it with your left palm, legs should be one over the other, place your right arm over your head, lift your body as you support yourself with your left arm and leg. Do 10 sets 20 times on each side. Number 8. Side stretching is a perfect muffin top workout. Side stretching mainly targets your muffin tops. They also help to relieve back and shoulder pain. Stand with the shoulder spaced between your legs. Lift your right arm to touch your left shoulder from the left. Bend towards your left as you hold your right elbow firmly with your left arm and stretch as far as you can as you put pressure on your elbow. Hold in for a few seconds and repeat with the other side. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 9. Side squats. The side squats are another simple way to trim your waist as they target your lower body. This unique exercise engages your lateral movements and strengthens your muscles. They are easy to learn and helps cut the muffin top fats. Why don't you start working out and get that killer figure? Number 10. Cross knees to elbows. To perform this exercise, you stand with your shoulders apart, bend your hands and place them behind your head. Move every knee to your opposite elbow as you alternate sides. Squeeze your abs and perform 3 sets. 20 reps on each side. Super simple, and you can kiss the love handles goodbye. Number 11. Push-up to plank. Push-up to plank is a 2-in-1 workout. The plank and the push-up are powerful whole-body exercises that are rarely recognized. Moreover, they are great for the midsection too. Here is how to perform them. Place your hands on the floor and hold yourself into a push-up position. Keep your upper body stable and shift into a plank position with your forearms on the floor. Each arm at a time, ensure your body is straight from the head to your feet. Hold up to this position for as long as you can. Number 12. Side bends. These are easy workouts, and so you can do as many as you can. They work on the waistline. Try to hold some dumbbells and add some weight. Stand with your legs apart, placing your left arm on your hip, bend from your hip towards your right leg. Repeat the same with your other side. Aim to do 100 times. Keep alternating for about 3 minutes. Number 13. Weighted squat to rotation. The weighted squat to rotation is a fantastic muffin top workout. Stand with your legs wide, hold a ball or a dumbbell, and twist your core to one side and propel to the other side after. Keep repeating in turns for each side to finish 12 reps. To add weight, raise the dumbbell above your head before rotating. Number 14. Superman. While you want to get rid of the muffin top, you also want to tighten your lower back and the abdomen. The Superman is a focused back workout that can strengthen your core's crucial muscles. To perform a Superman, you need to lie down on your belly with your hands stretched out and your feet straight behind. Tighten your glutes and torso as you lift. Raise your arms and legs simultaneously. Hold on for 20 seconds and repeat. 15. Hip bridge. This fantastic exercise works on your lower back, hamstring, and glutes. As you raise your leg, you will need to be stable to engage your lower back muscles. You want to burn those fats around your waistline, remember? Hip bridges are easy to do, as illustrated on this link. Follow the simple steps for a well-toned belly. Number 16. The dead bug exercises. The dead bug workout is excellent for trimming the muffin top. It is an exercise designed to help you burn stubborn belly fats and strengthen your torso. To perform the dead bug exercises, follow these simple instructions. Lie down on your back with hands fully extended on your sides. Lower your legs to a tabletop position, and while bending your knees, lower your legs parallel to the ground. Lift your arm behind your head. Straighten your right leg, but ensure it does not touch the floor. Press your back against the floor and keep your abs tight all through. Go back to the initial position and continue with the same movement with the other side for 1 round. Do 10 reps in 3 sets to the maximum. Number 17. Candlestick dipper. The candlestick dipper does the trick. It works on your oblique muscles and brings out excellent results. All you need to do is kneel with your back straight and abs tight. Put your right leg straight to your side and ensure your knee is straight. Raise your arms above your head and interlace your fingers, keeping 2 fingers locked in a Charlie's Angels pose. Bend your left side, waist side as low as possible. Continue with the other side. Number 18. Hip twists. Add this easy-to-do exercise to your daily routine for a flat belly and well-trimmed muffin top. To do this exercise, you will need to lie down into a forearm plank posture. Put your elbows beneath your shoulders as you ensure your body is in a straight line. Twist your hips from side to side to ensure each hip touches the floor. Do 20 twists at least. Number 19. Inchworm. The inchworm is a full-body workout and an HIIT favorite. You will shrink that waistline within no time and increase flexibility and strength. You will need to stand, bend to touch the floor with your arms. Take a plank position slowly and repeat 20 times. Number 20. Alternating toe touches. As simple as it sounds, this exercise goes a long way in reducing the muffin tops. How do you perform the alternate toe touches? Lie down, your back pressed against the ground. Raise one leg as you slowly lift your core from the floor. Use your opposite hand to try to touch your toe and breathe out. Lower your torso and arms slowly to the starting position as you breathe in. Repeat the workout with your other side and do 3 sets, 20 reps on each side. The bottom line: a muffin top workout is essential for you. Aim to incorporate it into your daily exercise routine. Having the love handles trimmed will give you an excellent body shape and save you from the many lifestyle diseases linked with it, including blood pressure, cardiovascular diseases, and diabetes. Feel free to pick a few from this video and start working out. All the best! Which muffin top workout do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.